are born as humans on this earth. Like a candle cannot see ahead clearly, only know today, still smile around others. Do not know how tomorrow will appear. We live as humans here on this earth, the only birth and the last life. Each person only has one single life. Life is short, soon it will vanish. Without love, what meaning would life hold? This life generation would have no value. Even having money, gold, or great wealth cannot take them when one passes away. Life may be rich or sometimes very poor, but be satisfied with what you possess. Be honest and faithful to the one loved. One day life will not feel wasted. Love, what meaning would life hold? This life generation would have no value. Even having money, gold, or great wealth cannot take them when one passes away. Life may be rich or sometimes very poor, but be satisfied with what you possess. Be honest and faithful to the one loved. One day life will not feel wasted. One day life will not feel